everyone, it's Annette and welcome back to Cotto Verde. In today's video I'm going to show you some of the arrangements I made with Ranunculus and Anemones a couple of weeks ago. I didn't manage to post it at the time because I went away on holiday, and unfortunately, whilst I was on holiday, or fortunately, there was a massive heat wave in the UK, and what happens is the Ranunculus and Anemones shut down if it gets too hot, and so I don't have any more blooms. So I'm going to show you the arrangements that I made with the blooms that I had a couple of weeks ago, and what I'll do is I'll put up on the screen the other flowers or stems that I used to fill the arrangement, so that you get some ideas for next year of what would be good companion plants to grow so that you can make similar arrangements. I do think they look absolutely beautiful, and I particularly like some of the colours which were new to me this year, so do make a note of things if you want to order some corms to sow in the autumn, or you can sow them in the spring if you don't have anywhere to overwinter them. But anyway, hopefully this will be an inspiring video and give you some ideas for what to do next season. So that's it for today. I hope you'll agree the arrangements are really pretty and you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all next time. If you've got any ranunculus and anemones and